Hi guys, I'm Tom, and today in front of me I have the Dell Inspiron 5547 laptop, which kinda reminds me of an Ultrabook. The reason being is that it's a powerful laptop and it's not very bulky and it's light and it's transportable, and that's what Ultrabooks are all about. So this laptop will be great for anyone who doesn't want to invest in a real Ultrabook and yet wants something, powerful and lightweight. This 16.6-inch laptop weighs just over 2 kilos, but the way the weight is distributed makes it feel much lighter. Besides that, it is 22 millimeters thick, and again, it is designed in such a way that it feels somewhat thinner. The back of the laptop is covered with this sheet of aluminum, which is cool on touch and just kind of gives to that sturdiness of the laptop. And fingers don't leave smudges, which is great. The rest of the casing is made of this plastic, feels sturdy and strong, nothing special, but I think it's enough. The screen isn't shaky and it stays put, and I love that the pads on the bottom of the laptop stretch the entire length of the laptop and not just the corners, so I don't really think they'll ever fall out. The keyboard is pretty good, but the keys are apart more than you're used to seeing on laptops, so it might be awkward to some at first. In addition, they managed to put in a separate numpad on here. The official site also stated that the keyboard is spill-proof, waterproof, but I wasn't about to go and test that. We'll just have to trust them on this one, guys. The only bad thing I have to say about this keyboard is that it isn't backlit, so it was sometimes hard to kind of find my way around. The touchpad is big, smooth, and somehow always a bit cooler than the rest of the laptop. Again, no smudges. Awesome. On the left side, there's a AC adapter port, there's a USB 2.0 port, and there's an SD card reader. On the right side, there's an Ethernet cable connection, there's an HDMI, two 3.0 USB ports, and a headphone jack. There's no microphone plug, so if your headphones happen to have a microphone, it would be very convenient if they were also connectable via USB port. In addition to all that, there's a 720p HD webcam just above the screen. The screen's diagonal is 15.6 inches, visibility is great and the colors are true. The screen looks very nice, that is until you go outside, where the screen is only usable with the max brightness settings. The battery life isn't great, although with normal usage, so Facebook, Skype, Twitter, YouTube, all those sorts of stuff, it'll last you about 4 to 5 hours. With the Intel Core i7, 8 gigs of RAM, and a switchable graphics, this laptop will handle all of your multitasking with ease, and the software that needs a bit more power will feel like at home. Although it is not a gaming laptop, it'll run all of the newer games and stuff like Call of Duty, Minecraft, and League of Legends, and all those very popular games will run with ease on this thing. The only thing I actually have to mention and kind of complain about with this performance is that this laptop really misses an SSD, but then again, if it kind of had an SSD, I guess it would be even more closely related to an Ultrabook, so this is what you get with the laptop. Although pretty strong, it really doesn't make a sound. Well, not until you use all of its processing power, when that buzzy fan kicks in and starts buzzing, which is fine and expected. The cooling is done great, and this laptop will not be heated easily, not even in your lap. There are two speakers, one on each side of the laptop, and although they are pretty loud, the quality is not great, which, you can't expect any better from a laptop. So as I've said, this laptop will be great for anyone who wants something powerful and portable, yet doesn't want to invest in a real Ultrabook. It is really well made and it's sturdy, and I don't think you can go wrong if you get it. That will be it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, ask away down in the comments. Tell us your experiences with this device. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time.